Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. This is the finished repair on that STIHL 046. I removed the bellows manifold and replaced it with a new one, and did the test of pressure, and the saw passed that. And then I did a vacuum test, and we are holding good vacuum, indicating that the seals are also good on it. That's the ultimate test to be able to check the vacuum on this chainsaw. That pulls against the lips of the seals and just gives you a good indication of what kind of shape those seals are in. Let me show you what I found on that bellows. Right there, you can see the tear in that bellows. And from looks like from a previous repair, there's a little perforation right there. See that? Anyway, if you want to get your hands on one of those test kits, those starter kits for that vacuum pressure gauge, you know how to get hold of Chainsaw Guy.